Today a package finally arrived and I'm really excited to open it. Inside a fragrance that has been really hyped lately from Le Falcone Risala Autograph. Many people are saying this is supposed to clone a very expensive niche fragrance, Roja Isola Blu. I have smelled Isola Blu, I have a small sample, so I will compare them side by side and let's unbox it together. Welcome to the Italian Gentleman, my name is Lucky. Today we are doing a first impression of Le Falcone Risala Autograph. First of all, look at the presentation, very huge package. This is 100 milliliters bottle. And look at this. I already watched some videos. It opens like this and look at this. And inside is the fragrance. So just the presentation, amazing. Right away it feels way more premium than I was expecting. The bottle really looks fantastic. You want to have this on your shelf. The cup is, well, it's relatively heavy, but not that. A little bit plasticky. And the bottle looks like this. Let me see very quickly the notes. It has lemon, lime, blackcurrant, apple, pink pepper, middle note, orange blossom, oak-moss, coconut, lily, and labdanum, and base note cedar, moss, tonka bean, ambergris, mate, leather, and amber. So as you can see, a lot of going on inside. But now the moment of truth. Let's see how it smells, and most important, how it compares with Isola Blu from Roja. Really good atomizer. Oh well, it opens really fresh and citrusy, a little bit earthy. It reminds me a lot of Terre d'Hermès Eau de Toilette, and also has an aromatic accord. Well, from the start it smells good. Definitely not bad, definitely not bad. I have to let it sit a little bit. Let me spray just one more time. And now let me try Isola Blu on the other hand. So my first impression is very positive. Side by side, well, you can smell this is a little bit more, a little bit stronger, and you can smell more the bright citrus here. Here is a little bit more earthy and goes more in the Terre d'Hermès direction, but it has a nice quality. I've read some people saying that it smells awful, synthetic, cheap. I don't get this. Yes, so it doesn't smell cheap at all. Of course, you cannot compare it with the quality of Roja, the quality of the brand and the ingredients of Roja, but it costs 10 times more or even more. Like the bottle design, and I'm really happy with my purchase. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like the video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. I will doing more unboxing and first impression as I'm buying new fragrances. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode.